Guys, I found wild berries. Oh my god! Guys! Sarap to yun. Raspberry. Let's try to eat. Very sweet, guys. Ay, may uod yung kinain ko. Yari. Oh my god. Very sweet. Anong pinagagawa? Guys, so wild berries. Raspberry. Very sweet. Ito pa oh. Lots of wild berries. Ay, kinuo ko. Ay. Ano kaya fruits yan, guys? Oh, I not know. I don't know the fruits. Wild fruits.